This is Kerry from Babs Speed Warehouse, and right now we're doing a deep dive into tourmalinated quartz. What it is, it's the quartz stone or quartz mineral with the tourmaline mineral growing side by side or into each other. And this one has black tourmaline. You can see the rods going through the clear quartz. Sometimes it breaks the surface, sometimes it doesn't. When they cut the stone, they're going to cut it where there may be tourmaline sticking out, so it gets polished down, and you could actually feel the dimples of it. This is totally natural occurring, although I have seen some man-made rutilated quartz that looks really silly. But this is tourmalinated quartz, and we'll do rutilated quartz in the future. We're going to try to do more of these kind of short videos, a deep dive into inclusions inside of gemstones. I think this is one of the beauties of gemstones and minerals when they occur like this. That's the back part of the stone. It's not an expensive stone. The stone, we would sell it for about $100. So it's not too expensive. But you can see how beautiful the rutile formation is. I hope you're enjoying our videos, and if you can, subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it.